Employee Millionaire: How to Use Your Day Job to Become a Millionaire with Rental Properties by H.J. Chammas. Audiobook Summary and Key Takeaways. Introduction: The Journey to Financial Freedom. H.J. Chammas introduces the book by sharing his personal story of transitioning from a full-time employee to a financially free millionaire through investing in rental properties. Chammas emphasizes that anyone, regardless of their job or background, can achieve financial freedom through strategic investing in real estate. The book is designed to guide employees on how to use their day job income to build wealth through rental properties, highlighting the steps he took to build his wealth while working a regular job. Chapter 1: The Employee Trap. Chammas begins by discussing the employee trap many individuals find themselves in. Most people rely on their jobs as the sole source of income, which limits financial growth and independence. He explains that employees are often too focused on earning a salary, rather than using that salary as a tool to create passive income. Chammas emphasizes that the real path to financial freedom lies in creating multiple streams of income, especially through real estate investments. Key takeaway: relying solely on a salary can trap you in financial limitations. To escape, you need to leverage your job to generate passive income through investments. Chapter 2: Why Real Estate is the Best Investment Vehicle. This chapter explores why real estate is the ideal investment for employees looking to achieve financial freedom. Chammas highlights the benefits of real estate over other investment options like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. He explains how rental properties generate consistent cash flow, appreciate in value over time, and provide tax advantages. Additionally, real estate allows investors to leverage their money, making it possible to grow wealth faster. Key takeaway: real estate is a powerful investment vehicle for generating passive income, building equity, and creating long-term wealth. Chapter 3: The Power of Financial Education. Chammas stresses the importance of financial education in achieving success with real estate investments. He explains that most employees lack the financial knowledge to manage their money wisely, leading them to poor financial decisions. In this chapter, Chammas encourages readers to invest time in learning about personal finance, real estate, and wealth-building strategies. He provides suggestions for books, courses, and resources that can help employees develop the knowledge needed to succeed. Key takeaway: financial education is essential for making smart investment decisions. Take the time to educate yourself on personal finance and real estate. Chapter 4: Financial Discipline and Saving for Investments. This chapter discusses the importance of financial discipline when preparing to invest in real estate. He explains that employees need to create a savings plan and stick to a budget in order to accumulate the funds necessary for down payments on properties. Chammas emphasizes the importance of living below your means and avoiding lifestyle inflation, which often traps employees in financial stress despite earning higher salaries. Key takeaway: financial discipline and saving are critical for building the capital needed to invest in real estate. Live below your means to maximize your savings. Chapter 5: Overcoming Mental Barriers. This chapter addresses the psychological barriers that often prevent employees from investing in real estate. Chammas explains that fear of failure, fear of taking risks, and fear of the unknown are common obstacles. He provides practical advice on how to overcome these fears, including shifting your mindset, focusing on long-term goals, and taking calculated risks. Chammas also stresses the importance of perseverance and learning from mistakes. Key takeaway: overcoming fear and mental barriers is key to taking action in real estate investing. Cultivate a mindset focused on growth and long-term success. Chapter 6: Creating a Solid Investment Plan. There is need for a clear, strategic investment plan in real estate. This chapter outlines the steps to create a well-thought-out plan, including setting financial goals, determining your investment criteria, and creating a timeline for acquiring properties. Chammas advises employees to plan for gradual, steady growth and to avoid rushing into investments without thorough research and preparation. Key takeaway: a solid investment plan is crucial for long-term success in real estate. Define your financial goals and create a roadmap for achieving them. Chapter 7: How to Finance Your Real Estate Investments. In this chapter, Chammas explains various financing options available to employees for purchasing rental properties. He covers traditional bank loans, mortgage types, and alternative financing methods such as private lending or partnerships. Chammas also provides insights into how to optimize your credit score and financial profile to secure better financing terms. Key takeaway: understanding the different financing options is critical for scaling your real estate portfolio. Focus on optimizing your financial profile for favorable loan terms. Chapter 8: Choosing the right rental property. This chapter looks into the specifics of selecting the right rental property. Chammas explains the importance of researching the market, analyzing property values, and considering factors such as location, rental demand, and property condition. He provides a detailed checklist of criteria to consider when evaluating potential properties, including cash flow potential, appreciation, and tenant demand. Key takeaway: conduct thorough research and due diligence when selecting rental properties. Choose properties with strong cash flow and long-term appreciation potential. Chapter 9: Managing your rental properties. In this chapter, Chammas focuses on the importance of effective property management. He explains how good management can significantly impact the profitability of your real estate investments. Chammas offers advice on tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance, and handling difficult situations. He also discusses the option of hiring property management companies and when it makes sense to do so. Key takeaway: effective property management is crucial for maximizing returns and maintaining the value of your investment. Consider professional management when appropriate. Chapter 10: The Power of Compounding and Growing Your Portfolio. Chammas explains how the power of compounding works in real estate investing. As properties appreciate in value and generate rental income, the profits can be reinvested into acquiring more properties, leading to exponential growth. This chapter outlines the strategy of using the income from existing properties to finance new investments, allowing employees to build a diversified and scalable portfolio. Key takeaway: reinvest your rental income and leverage property appreciation to grow your portfolio over time. Compounding wealth through real estate can lead to financial independence. Chapter 11: Mitigating Risks in Real Estate Investing. In this chapter, Chammas addresses the common risks associated with real estate investing and how to mitigate them. He discusses market fluctuations, property vacancies, maintenance costs, and tenant issues. Chammas emphasizes the importance of having a contingency plan, maintaining an emergency fund, and being prepared for unexpected challenges. He advises investors to conduct thorough market analysis and property inspections before making any purchase. Key takeaway: real estate investing comes with risks, but with proper planning and risk management strategies, you can minimize potential losses and protect your investments. Chapter 12: Achieving Financial Freedom. This last chapter reflects on how real estate investing can lead to financial freedom and independence from a regular job. He explains that by gradually building a portfolio of cash-flowing properties, employees can replace their salary with passive income and ultimately achieve financial freedom. Chammas encourages readers to remain disciplined, patient, and committed to their investment plan. Key takeaway: real estate investing offers a clear path to financial freedom. With persistence and smart investing, employees can transition to a life of financial independence. Conclusion: becoming an employee millionaire. Chammas concludes the book by reiterating that anyone can become a millionaire through strategic real estate investing, even while working a full-time job. He encourages readers to start small, remain disciplined, and focus on long-term wealth-building strategies. Chammas offers a final motivational push for employees to take control of their financial future by applying the principles outlined in the book. Key takeaway: with the right mindset, financial discipline, and a strategic investment plan, employees can achieve financial independence and build lasting wealth through real estate. Summary reflection: Employee Millionaire by H.J. Chammas provides a practical guide for employees who want to achieve financial independence through real estate investing. Chammas explains that relying solely on a job for financial security is limiting, and that real estate offers a powerful way to generate passive income, build wealth, and escape the employee trap. Through detailed steps and real-world advice, Chammas outlines how employees can save, invest, manage properties, and grow their portfolios to achieve financial freedom. The book is particularly useful for employees who are new to real estate investing and need a clear roadmap to follow. By emphasizing financial education, discipline, and long-term planning, Chammas empowers readers to take control of their financial future and become employee millionaires through smart real estate investing. We recommend you read this book. Do not forget to subscribe to Zillionpro for more quick summary audiobooks.